Absolute insanity on social media today with this headline that got dropped. Bed Bath & Beyond, ticker BBBY, will be tradable once again. What the heck is going on? I thought they went bankrupt, everybody's saying. In this video, let's talk about what is really going on with BBBY. Back in 2022, I traded BBBY for a couple of days when Ryan Cohen was involved in that run-up, and I was very fortunate that I sold my position very close to the top. I know you get tired of hearing that story, but we covered it live, and I sold my position maybe a day before Ryan Cohen disclosed that he was selling his position. I had no idea that he was going to sell, but you guys know how I like to take profits when tickers get these ridiculous run-ups. And then after he sold, I had nothing but warning videos telling you guys dilution coming, toxic dilution, toxic debt, bankruptcy, you're going to get wiped out. And, you know, a lot of warning videos on Bed Bath & Beyond. But once they filed bankruptcy, I'm kind of done talking about it. There's not really anything else to talk about. Until today, we get the news that BBBY Ticker is coming back. But there is a little bit of a trick to today's headline. It all started back on August 12th. Well, maybe it started before then, but let's go back to August 12th. Marcus Lemonis, the CEO of BYON, ticker BYON, was trying to solve a problem where people were confusing his company with a similar sounding ticker for Beyond Meat, that one being BYND. He said, what should we do about it? And I jokingly responded to him, you should buy the BBBY ticker because, you know, because of the bankruptcy process, that ticker has been out there and available for anybody to pick up. And if you have been following the Beyond news, you know that they recently also opened stores under the Bed Bath & Beyond label because they bought that IP from the company in the bankruptcy process. It is a creative solution to the problem, but I was joking because Marcus gets a lot of hate from the BBBY people because he's been very clear to them. He has nothing to do with the bankruptcy process of Bed Bath & Beyond and that their tickers are dead and don't buy bonds. All the, you know what he's saying if you follow the whole saga. But I did think it was a good creative solution to get some separation between Beyond and Beyond, the two tickers. And we woke up today to this tweet from Marcus Lemonis, a news announcement from his company that they were officially changing the name of the company to Bed Bath & Beyond, and they picked up the ticker BBBY, and they are going to be switching the ticker to prevent this confusion with Beyond Meat. So I think this is a really, really smart move on the part of Marcus Lemonis. In the article we have here, it says that Beyond announced today that it will change its corporate name to Bed Bath & Beyond, and its common stock will begin trading under the ticker symbol BBBY on August 29th, so about 11 days from today. The company currently owns Bed Bath & Beyond, Overstock, and Bye Bye Baby. They bought all those assets very cheap during the liquidation process of the company that got shut down. Marcus Lemonis goes on to say, our name change is highlighting one of the most valuable pieces of intellectual property that investors and consumers know today. I mean, there's no doubt, right, that the name Bed Bath & Beyond is probably more well known than his attempt to brand the company as Beyond. So I think this is an interesting and intelligent move, and I hope it works out for him very well. He goes on to say that we remain laser focused on growing Bed Bath & Beyond brand, building Overstock.com back to $1 billion nameplate, and unlocking value within our blockchain assets, particularly T0 and Grain Chain. If you are not following this, maybe I'll do a video for you guys and try and catch you up on what Marcus has been doing, partnering with T0. It's another fascinating little story, and I wish him a lot of success with that as well. So yes, the BBBY ticker will be coming back. However, it will have nothing to do with the previous company. It has nothing to do with the previous shares that were canceled. It has nothing to do with the previous QSIP, this is just renaming Beyond Inc. to Bed Bath & Beyond and picking up that ticker that's been sitting out there available. And I wish Marcus Lemonis and team a bunch of success. Let me know down in the comment what you guys think about this change in ticker, the change in company name. Do you think this is going to work out well for them? If you have any questions or comments, drop them for me down below. I am Tony, and I will see you guys on the next video.